A recent study titled SARS-CoV-2 infection induces long-lived bone marrow plasma cells in humans suggests that immunity to coronavirus could last for over a year and improves over time, especially after vaccination. It added that most people who recovered from COVID-19 and were later immunized will not need boosters. One of the studies claims that the cells that retain a memory of the virus persist in the bone marrow and may produce antibodies whenever needed. As per reports in another study, which is also under review for publication, these so-called memory B cells continue to mature and strengthen for at least 12 months after the initial infection. These memory B cells produced in response to infection with SARS-CoV-2 are enhanced with vaccination and are so potent that they thwart even variants of the virus, negating the need for boosters, says Michael Nussenwig, an immunologist at Rockefeller University. Blood from 77 people infected with coronavirus was analyzed at 3 months interval. Antibody levels in these individuals dropped rapidly 4 months after infection and continued to decline, though memory B cells remained quiescent in the bone marrow. In one study, bone marrow samples from 19 people were obtained roughly 7 months after they had been infected. 15 people had detectable memory B cells but 4 did not. This suggests that some people might carry very few of the cells or none at all. In the second study, researchers analyzed blood from 63 people who had recovered from COVID-19 to study how memory B cells mature. The so-called neutralizing antibodies remained unchanged between 6 and 12 months. As memory B cells continued to evolve, the antibodies they produced developed the ability to neutralize an even broader group of variants. A year after infection, neutralizing activity in the participants who had not been vaccinated was lower against all forms of viruses. Those who were vaccinated will continue to have high protection against the emerging variants. This suggests that those who were never infected and did not produce a robust immune response may need booster shots.